Best degrees for stock trading and investing. Stocks and investing are one of the fast rising markets with many career opportunities. However, today's stock market's not what it used to be. Stock market trading has evolved in many ways. Choosing the perfect degree has been made easier by experts who have mastered the art of stock trading. The selection depends on the interest of the individual and the jobs available. Additionally, investing in bonds has become very easy to earn huge profits from trading. Please subscribe to the channel. Sage here for Kalkine Media. Buying and selling shares is not easy, especially in the present economy. However, with the right career choice and school courses, you can become a master in the field. And the best degrees for stock market and investing include the following. Finance. This course covers numerous factors that facilitate stock trading and investing. It is a technological study of funds. It gives marketers and traders, including investors, a broad awareness of the effect of money on people and places. A degree in finance massively contributes to bond trading. Additionally, it facilitates the international business. This course concentrates on practical applications and trades. The financial analysis of this area of study is achieved after mathematics is taught. Economics. This is another important course that stock traders or investors are encouraged to study. It helps them to make financially safe commitments in bonds and shares. It is surely one of the appropriate areas of study for investments. Statistics. This area of specialisation encompasses analysing data sets and turning the information into helpful rates or other mathematical calculations. In this certification, you get to understand the basics of using statistical computations for finance. For example, if a stock trader wants to research a company to see if it will be a good option to business, administration and management. So encouraged to choose these areas of specialisation because it provides many opportunities to choose their careers. And since these fields of specialisation and share traders must be able to plan, manage and retain numerous accounts. Bond and holding trading is a technical industry. This area of specialisation aids in comprehending the complexities of planning and running corporation alongside event planning, exit strategies. Communications and strategic communications. Communication is vital in the stock market, trading and investing. When it comes to strategic communications, you learn the same core precepts of communication via several aspects in this path. However, the priority is more on effective communication than on communication strategies. Experts have proved strategic communication principles in bonds trading as one of the top certifications. It can help understand how to communicate politely with individuals, potential clients, and the public. Accounting. This is one of the preeminent certifications for investments. It studies the proper record of financial business. Physics, engineering and applied mathematics. Although these areas of study differ from one another, they share the same implications when it comes to trading and investments. With a certification in any of the fields mentioned above, the bond market is most likely to come running to you and not the other way around. Conclusion. According to business experts, communication is the foremost degree to acquire. However, this list is not complete without computer science. The world is evolving into a digitalised era and almost everything can be done on the computer. And this makes it one of the top college degrees for stock trading. Choice in college certification increases the student's experience on how to make proper decisions that will help them in the future. as an investor, your start determines your end. Thanks for joining us. If you like this information, let us know by liking, sharing, commenting on the video below. Subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon, you'll be notified of the most recent videos from Kalkine. But for more articles, head to the website kalkinemedia.com. My name's Sage for Kalkine Media.